Well, I'm known as the grumpy vlogger. I'll gripe and complain longer. Please do me the adieu and kindly view me on YouTube.
Okay, folks, I am in Oklahoma, so naturally, when the tornado sirens go off, which they've just gone off again, I mean, they just shut down, so they're not running right now. We're under a tornado warning, which means there's a tornado on the ground somewhere in the area. So what do? I do like all my neighbors. I come out the street and I watch it. So anyways, this will be for my vlog for tomorrow. And I'll show you some of the clouds. And this is, as you can see, it's kind of still. You see this yellowish tint to everything. That's usually a good sign of hail. You heard that? Okay, and back over here, the sun's actually shining over here. Well, sort of. But this is, yeah, nothing to talk about. So anyways, I'm gonna go in and keep an eye on Judy. So, but yeah, we're under a tornado warning right now. We got massive flooding and tornadoes. The streets are dry here, but they're talking about we're gonna lose our water because of, and the wind's starting to pick up, so we're gonna lose our water because of the power plant going underwater, because the river, they got every lake in Oklahoma is flooded and more coming in, and every dam is running full out, and it's just swelling the rivers. There's just no way to anyways, there's just no way to deal with it, you know. And we got rain coming in tonight, tornadoes. There's been 5 or 6 tornadoes up in Tulsa and around that area, and they're coming this direction. And sirens just went off, so I'm out here like a village idiot, standing in the street, waiting for it to happen. We're in Oklahoma, that's what we do. So, anyways, I'm gonna go in because the wind is starting to pick up just a little bit, and it's fixing to, yeah, it's fixing to get nasty out. So anyways, we'll catch you later, all right? Hey, here is the E.120 E.120. It's a drone that I got. It's a paraglider and a skateboard drone that I ordered. It came in, actually, it was recommended from RC Sailors. So I'm going to give it a shot, and I'll show you more when I get the box open. All right? This is what comes in the box. I took it out of the box. It was a little crushed, but looks like everything's okay. And there's all the, look, there's a little guy that comes in it, and this is the oh, that's the paraglide thing. Yeah, it's a little.
Sorry, I didn't find the device near right.
Alexa just sounded off. But anyways, so let's see what we got here. All right, and there, that's it. That's the size of it. No camera. I got the version, I think it might. Anyways, it's a toy, okay? Look at that. It's got props up and above and down below. And it's a nice little controller. Yeah. Huh. Spring loaded, which means it's probably, if I'm not mistaken, this has, let's see what it has on it. Does it say? It doesn't say. Let's see. Indoor stunt board. Okay. Well, there we go. It's supposed to be fairly stable. Yeah, made in China. It got here. Oh, look at this. Look at that little battery. Isn't that cute? All right, guys. Well, that's it for the unboxing part. So, whoops, I shut it off. Anyways, that's it for the unboxing part. There's that. And let's see if I can get the controller out without any problems. And there is the controller. So, that's it, guys. Of course, the little guy comes with, well, hang on a second. Let me do some more. Because I think I ordered the 2 battery pack. Comes with 1, 2, or 3 batteries. It may have 3. It may have 1 already in there. So I'll tell you more about it. So excuse the mess on the table, obviously. I'm at my kitchen table. But there it is. The E.120. E.120. That's it. And here's my hand. That just shows you how tall it is back there. It's just that tall. You know, that's it. So, all right, guys, I'll put this up. And don't forget to subscribe or check out what's up here. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, check out what's over here and what's over here. You be nice to everybody, okay? I'm the Grumpy Vlogger. I'm out of here. Bye-bye for now.